I'm making air tour Swift blanket, and I have people asking how you do it. Even stitches through all blanket. It takes time to learn. Nothing overnight. Nothing. I'm doing this for 5 years, so it's kind of have hard time. Start doing, left it. Start doing, left it. Start doing, left it. And when you get perfect, you don't want to leave. You want to continue, do it and do it and do it. You fall in love with the blanket when you know how to do it. So how I'm doing, this is from right to left right now. So I will show you. I try to put them together, you see? Then they don't have that gap. Okay, together. See, they don't have small gap. And two finger. So if I do not together, just like this, just like that, like people do, one, you're gonna have this gap. See, almost nothing. See, this gap. So if you avoid this gap, your stitches will be always tight. So get them together, pull it, and it's a quick. It's not like you have to spend minutes to put them together. No, it's automatically, because you keep with these hands and you help with left hands. Both your hands and fingers has to be involved in process. You see, I keep this in my hands. I don't do it exactly on the table because it's kind of for me different. But see, I'm on a blanket. I'm folding this big piece already, and almost done with the blanket. And like this, you see, put together. I'm using right now that special device that you attach the phone and do the video in front of you on the neck. The things is on the neck. I will have to show with different telephone or something how to use this. So you see, and tell me if you understand. Put together and make a stitch. See, it's tight. That's why when you make pumpkin, when you make head of the amigurini, you need to have them tight. Do not have that big between. Okay, I don't care about this. I do this. Up, and that's what you have. Okay, I don't care about this. I just care about how to do this. Up, that's what you have gap. This, I don't have this gap. That's my opinion. It's not written in a book. It's nowhere. Everybody just show their experience, how we think it works. So look look at the colors. Nice.